just met her at the club last Friday. Now I'm chilling at her house. Had to get a fresh cut with a temp fade. Yeah, I know I'm talking about. Every day I'm pulling up in a driveway with my music on loud. Took an extra outfit for the next day. I stayed for a while. Everything just happening so fast. She wanna know where we stand. She don't even know who I am, and vice versa. But we could
I know I gotta see you again.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Naomi, and I'm back with another video. Okay, so I have 3 synthetic units that I'm currently making a lookbook for, but I'm also just gonna do a review on it because why not just give y'all my honest and, you know, true opinion of it. That's what we are all here for. But before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go down below, press the subscribe button, and tap that bell notification so you can be notified when I post a new video. Today's video is teamed with HERAREMY. They sent me 3 different wigs. I chose like 3 different styles, so this is just straight up gonna be like a honest review, and you know, it is what it is. So first things first, I have this wig on my head. This is the style Kiara in the color Hazel. I never did a color like this before, but I'm low-key like liking it. Like, I've never seen myself with like a light brown, and I was honestly gonna try it anyways, but I guess it's convenient that I chose this style in this color. So as y'all can see, I have went back. I didn't even really cut baby hair. I just went through and formed it with the hair, and I also went back and put some concealer on the parting. So I honestly didn't even cut any baby hair. I just used I just used the hair itself and formed baby hairs that way. I also went back with my concealer for the parting. I didn't really comb this out because it has like a certain look to it, and it has like the wavy gap poofy, but I felt like if I was to put a comb to it that it would just completely like mess it up, so I'm not gonna do that. I just took it straight out the package, separated it a little bit, and this is what it looks like. The hair up close, it kind of has like a red, yellow, orange, but like dark kind of look. Can y'all see that? And like, it looks really nice. I actually do like this wig. I want to say it's roughly maybe like 24 inches just about. So this is what it looks like, and as you can see, it's all the way down to like my butt. But this hair is really nice, really flowy, really poofy in a sense, but like a good poofy. We like poofy to a certain extent. This wig is not a free part. The part is only on the side. I guess if you were wanting to try a different part, you could probably just shift the wig per usual to whatever part you want to do. Sorry that this chair keeps on squeaking. Let me know what you guys think about the wig. Do you like it? Like, just let me know down below. I honestly do like it. This is gonna have to be in one of my top favorite wigs, even though I feel like all the wigs that I do reviews on are like my favorite, but you know, it's fine. We're not gonna judge me. If you guys like this, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna insert a video of me styling it, just showing what I did, so if you want to see that, just keep on watching.
I just met her at the club last Friday. Now I'm chilling at her house. Had to get a fresh cut with a temp fade. Yeah, I know I'm talking about. Every day I'm pulling up in a driveway with my music on loud. Took an extra outfit for the next day. I stayed for a while. Everything just happening so fast. She wanna know where we stand. She don't even know who I am, and vice versa. But we could've took things slow. We really did kind of rush. We acting like we a couple, acting like we already in love. So I guess so. Well, I mean, I guess so. crazy. Ain't that crazy? Thought it wasn't gonna be nothing, but it just turned into something. It's crazy. Now she my baby. Oh my. But we could've took things slow. We really did kind of rush. We acting like we a couple. Acting like we already in love. So I guess so. Well, I mean, I guess so. Guess that makes us official. I guess so. Well, I mean, I guess so. Ooh, baby, guess that makes us official. I just met her at the club last Friday. Now I'm chilling at her house. Had to get a fresh cut with a temp fade. Yeah, I know what I'm talking about. Every day I'm pulling up in a driveway with my music on loud. Took an extra outfit for the next day. I stayed for a while. Everything just happening so fast. She wanna know where we stand. She don't even know who I am, and vice versa. But we could've took things slow. We really did kind of rush. We acting like we a couple. Acting like we already in love. So I guess so. Well, I mean, I guess so. Guess that makes us official. I guess so. Well, I mean, I guess so. Guess that makes us official. I just gave her a little money on a rent day. Yeah, I had to help her out. I've been kicking it around her like it's my place. Yeah, I know I'm talking about. And she wanted me to hit it like every day. On the bed, on the couch. And I ain't even gotta take her on a dinner date. She be cooking at the house. Seem like it's been forever, but ain't even a month. It's crazy. Ain't that crazy? Thought it wasn't gonna be nothing, but it just turned into something. It's crazy. Now she my baby. Oh my. But we could've took things slow. We really did kind of rush. We acting like we a couple. Acting like we already in love. So I guess so.
Welcome back, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope you guys got, you know, more knowledge per usual on this wig from a different hair company. If you guys like the style, let me know. Like, let me know what y'all want to see more of, because I'm willing to make a video about any kind of hair. Like, even the ugly ones. Like, the ugly ones are ones you can also finesse as well. So yeah, I actually have 2 more wigs by the same exact company. So I actually have like 2 more wigs by the same company that I'm gonna do a review over. If you guys want to see that, stay tuned. You know what I'm saying? I'll see you guys in my next video though, so peace out.